A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. So, in today's class, we will revise exercise and question answer part of chapter 3, uses of a computer. Okay, we have already revised the theoretical part of this chapter, what is the use of computer, and we have revised about the places where computers are used. Okay, now let's have a look at the exercise and question answer part of this chapter. So first we have fill in the blank part. So for completing fill in the blank part, hints are given this side, so you all can take the help of these hints. Okay, so first one is a computer is a wonderful. What a computer is? It's a machine. Okay, so a computer is a wonderful machine. That one. Second is you can information in a computer. So what we can do with the information in computer? In computers we can store information. Okay, we can store information. We can store large amount of information in computer in comparison of any other device. Okay, so second one is we can store information. Third is you can pictures on a computer. What we can do with the pictures, like see, two options are left, draw and music. So from these two, draw is the right answer. We can draw pictures on a computer. Okay, and fourth one is you can listen to. What we can listen? Obviously we can listen music. Okay, music is the thing that we can listen. So fourth one is music. Now we have true and false part. So for the true statement, write T, and for false statement, write F. So first is a computer cannot solve sums. So this statement is false, because we all knows that a computer can solve the sums very easily and it always gives accurate result and it solves sum very fast. Okay, so the first statement is false because it is given here that computer cannot solve sum, that's why it is false. Second is you cannot play games on a computer. This statement is also false because we can play games on a computer. We can play many games like car racing and chess. Okay, there are Candy Crush. There are many types of games that we can play on a computer. So second one is also false. Third one, you can watch movies on a computer. You can watch. Okay, so this will be true because we can watch. Yes, it is true. And you can type letters on a computer. It is also true. On computers we can type letters and we can type different kinds of letters. We can write applications, we can write letters, we can make reports. Okay, so fourth one is true. Then we have section B, A part, MCQs. A computer is used to send and receive. What we can send and receive using computer? Three options are given: games, messages or sums. So messages we can send and receive using computer. And second one, a computer is used to make in shops and malls. So what is prepared in shops and malls? Music, letters, bills. So try to attempt it by yourself. I am coming to answer in one word question answer part. First is name a place where computers are used. You can write the name of any place. There are so many places where we use computer, like in schools we use computer, in banks we use, in hospitals, shopping malls, restaurants, malls. Okay, there are many places where we use. You can write name of any place. Second question is what can you do on a computer? So on a computer we can do many things. We can type letters, we can listen music, we can draw pictures, we can save information. Okay, so any one you can write. Third one is name a cartoon movie that you have seen on a computer. So this question is different from different people because your choices are different. So you can write the name of your own cartoon movie which you have seen on computer. Okay, like if I have watched the Tom and Jerry cartoon, okay, and if I have seen the Lion King movie, okay, so it's the answer will be vary. You can write your own movie name. Okay, at last we have name a game that you have played on a computer. So like chess is the game which I have played on a computer. You can write the name of any other game if you have played. Okay, so that's all about the exercise and question answers. Revise it and learn it. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye.